you know you should be watching this video. Why? Because you're up. It's common for people that have been diagnosed with breast cancer or going through breast cancer treatment to not be able to sleep. And what you find yourself doing is one of three things. You're either worrying about your disease process, staring up at the ceiling, and that doesn't help, or you're impulse shopping, and that's not good for your financial health. And so, what I'd like you to do is come spend the night with me. Now, you may be wondering, who am I? Formerly, I'm Lynette Gainous, but my friends call me Lynie, and I am so sure that you and I are going to become friends. I'm coming up on my 4-year breast cancer survivorship anniversary in August 2021. And so I know what the nights are like. Like I said, I'm coming up on 4 years and I still can't sleep through the night, which is why I'm creating this channel. And so I want us to use the nights so that we can make our days brighter by doing fabulous, fun, creative things. Now, our common problem is that you and I just can't sleep. And so we either can't fall asleep or we don't have restorative sleep like others do. If you're like me, you've even tried pharmacotherapy, which is medication, or behavioral therapy, which is meditation. And what I found is the two M's don't always work. And so I want us to take this opportunity to share beauty tips, to learn how to create magnets, to, guess what? Learn how to make seashell room diffusers. I know you can't wait to learn how to do that. And so we want to be able to bring back some of our inner beauty so that we can feel beautiful again, to take pleasure and beauty in the little things in life again, so that we can feel whole again, you know. And so I want you to keep this in mind. Remember, you're not the sum of your parts. One of the first projects that I did in order to help me get through the night when I was diagnosed with breast cancer was to create those magnets I talked about. And it was such a special project to me because I wanted to do it to say thank you to my support team and also to my treatment team. And it was such a beautiful way to personally say thank you to them. And they adored it. And so that's one of my first fun projects that I want to share with you to help you get through the night and create something for someone else. And so the next topic I would like to talk about in an upcoming video is the switching to aluminum free deodorant, because most of us that have had breast cancer or being diagnosed with it, that's one of the first things we generally do. And so I'd love to have a discussion with you about aluminum free deodorants. And so if you like this discussion that we've had for this brief period of time and are excited to come and see that video of mine about how to make magnets to get through the night, then I would love for you to like this channel. More than that, I'd love for you to comment below. But even more than that, I would love for you to subscribe to this channel, because with your engagement, your input, and the interchange that we have, there's so many ideas and creative things that we can do to help us get through the night. Because remember, breast cancer has taken so much from us, including our sleep. So this is a way for us to take control and take some things back. And we come out of it with a more positive frame of mind and maybe some crafts or two for those that we love and care about. Okay, see you next time.